welcome to PCC's Straight to the Point. Today we're going to talk about a couple products that fall into that remote maintenance, remote support category. A product called the Cozy from Ewon and a product from Tosibox, which this is the lock and the key combination. So that's what we see here. And a little bit of background, PCC was a distributor for the Ewon Cozy a couple years ago. Good product, was able to help some customers out with it, but we were approached by Tosi to consider taking on the line. If we knew if we did, we would lose the Ewon product line. We decided to move forward with the Tosibox because the technology was so compelling. And so today we're going to look at the two products, compare them a little bit, and try to convince you as to why we think the Tosibox is just a better product. And then really, it gets into the secret sauce, if you want, if I may, is really how easily, how securely, and how reliably you connect to the product, right? That's ultimately why we think the Tosibox shines. And I have Todd Preeter here, application engineer with PCC, to help hopefully explain some of that to us today.
Thanks, Scott. So with the Ewon product, it's your traditional remote access device. It's going to require a configuration with a couple of software tools to get it to connect to a cloud. And then your communications, your VPN tunnel goes through the cloud. This is not necessarily the most secure method of doing things because clouds tend to be less secure than if you were sitting next to the machine and plugged into it. So when we looked at the different products out there, the Tosibox line actually does something a little bit more unique and patented, actually, where their connection is established, the points of the connection where the devices are, is established using a cloud. But then after that, the VPN tunnel drops out of the cloud. It's not part of the cloud, and it's point to point. So you have direct access to your machine. No data goes through the cloud.
Well, that makes sense. From an easeability standpoint, I know just talking to our customers, when we help them get their first Cozy Ewon installed, usually it was more of a hands-on. We did a lot more training. We sat there with them to help them get it configured. And I just noticed recently with some of the Tosibox opportunities, we literally gave 15 minutes of a quick training overview of it and said, here it is, take it home, hook it up, and away you go. And 100% of them come back and go, that was super simple. And I think, and reliable, and it connected right away, and really no problems. I mean, literally no problems. So I think that's probably one of the more exciting things about the difference between the two products and for our customer standpoint. So we are literally winning business because it's just, here's a little bit of training, take it, and away you go.
Yeah, so basically, to configure this device, you buy a key, you buy a lock. The key is USB. There's a software tool on here, so when you plug this into your computer, it will install the software tool for you. You don't have to go download it, try to find the right version, that type of thing. And then the configuration of this lock to talk to this key is as simple as plugging it into here, powering this up for 10 seconds, and the configuration is then stored here. So it's a secure encrypted key. And what happens then is you ship your machine, this device gets installed in the panel. You go back to your office, the customer has an issue, you plug this in, and what will happen is it'll pop up the dialog with the software asking you for a password. So what we have is actually true two-factor authentication, or multi-factor authentication actually, because not only do you have a password, which you would have with something like the Ewon device, but you also have to have a physical device in your computer that matches with that. So it's really not a hackable system in that regard.
Okay, so that makes it super secure.
Super secure, right.
And still, it's super simple to work with. Anything else you want to touch on?
Well, ultimately, when we deal with these types of products and you're dealing, like especially with the Ewon or others that are like that, there's a cloud involved, and with that cloud, you have service fees essentially. So when I buy the Tosibox, the lock and the key, this is all I have to buy. I don't have any yearly subscription fees. I don't have any of that type of stuff because we're creating our own VPN tunnel. So the data isn't going through a cloud, so you're not paying to use somebody else's server to be able to get the data to your computer to be able to see it.
So the costs for these two hardware devices are about the same.
Hardware-wise, they're about the same.
But then you're going to save on not having annual maintenance fees, which typically is tied to a device. So the more devices you have, typically in this arrangement, from a licensing standpoint, that service fee, monthly service fee gets larger.
It can go larger, right? There are, like this to be, truly a free product. They do have an offering for that,
Okay.
but it's limited data.
Okay.
And then you can only have a couple of devices. So as you grow and you use more of these, that becomes a paid service.
Okay. All right. If anybody is interested in trying a Tosibox or a lock and a key, is the technical term, I guess. I keep getting told that. We have demo kits at PCC. You just need to contact us. Let us know who you are, what you want to use it for. We'll give you a little bit of training, drop off the device, and away you go.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.